Morning, this is Nick, Ace Hauling, Junk Removal Demolition, down here in El Cajon today, working at a church. We're helping them out with cutting out some asphalt for installation of a new gas line. So we're just going to cut out a 2-foot wide piece of asphalt, 103 feet long. We're going to cut it, break it, remove it at a good price for the church, helping out the town of El Cajon. I'll show you the area we're cutting. From there, all the way back to the building. Cut, break, remove. We do it all. Give us a call. Okay, finished just sweeping up now here at the church in El Cajon. The demo's done, just cleaning up, sweeping up. Gotta leave it clean. We were fast. It was, about an hour and a half. Cut, break out, haul away. Ace Hauling, Junk Removal Demolition. My name's Nick. Call us. We'll get the job done fast, safe, efficient. Let me show you the job site. Still gotta sweep up, but just about there. Okay. See you next time.